Tonight now, what does it really take to get in shape?
Some experts say all you need is 60 seconds. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor, who already hits the gym several times a week, puts this 1-minute workout to the test.
1 minute, 60 seconds. The New York Times headline claims if you exercise all out at full steam for that amount of time, it's the equivalent of 45 minutes of moderate exercise.
1 minute of strenuous exercise could be the key to getting fit.
Could exercising just 1 minute a day be all you need to stay healthy? Well, that's exactly what some researchers found.
But new information revealed that one intense minute within a 10-minute program could yield the same results as 45 minutes of moderate effort in terms of aerobic fitness and other physical benefits.
1 minute of exercise has the same fitness and health benefits of intense exercise as 45 minutes of moderate exercise.
Yes,
You buying this?
I do.
Could you lose weight by doing this?
It's the same thing, exactly.
So the same exact benefits of 45 minutes of
how
moderate
many
exercise.
calories you will burn in that 1 minute and what it will carry you on for the next 24 hours would be similar to what you do for 45 minutes.
You're about to hear from a world-class fitness expert who specializes in 1-minute weight loss routines. Sit back, relax, and watch this free short presentation that blows the lid off of what mainstream media wants you to believe about losing weight. Pay close attention because this video may not be up very long. The powers that be do not want this information to spread because once people know this secret, it will hurt a lot of big businesses that specialize in selling you useless weight loss diet fads. Disclaimer. The shocking research revealed in this presentation is not for people who love spending hours in the gym or those who love long, exhausting cardio workouts. This presentation is for anyone who doesn't like working out, but still would like to have an incredible, in-shape body.